The costs of cryptographic forms of money are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate criminal operations, and organic market. This large number of variables make leading a specialist examination of cryptographic money urgent in the present market. Brise is another task in the digital money world that has acquired fame in light of turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this article, you'll learn everything about the forward leap of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert Ventures subtleties, track down the solutions to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost expectations. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It publicizes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade DEX. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the Bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell BRC20 tokens. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority (POA) agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be entirely versatile, yet it doesn't reduce analysis over them for being exceptionally incorporated. Its appearance led to countless bits of hearsay. The crypto local area focused on the dubious comparability of this picture with the after effects of man-made intelligence-based photograph generators. That multitude of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to protect privacy. The sketchy promoting techniques utilized by the task group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They compassed a lot of articles about Bitgert, referencing the task just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful venture on a standard with currently fruitful and demonstrated cryptographic forms of money like ADA, Spell, and so forth. Is Brise a wise venture? Does Bitgert have a future? A few experts are certain about the progress of the Brise token. Truth be told, some of them even foresee Bitgert's 200% typical cost increment toward the finish of 2022. Yet, once more, we should keep in mind here the conceivable association between the creators of the scientific report and the ventures makers. We ought to likewise not disregard the risky regions that we have proactively referenced previously. Financial backers need to painstakingly gauge these elements prior to choosing whether to put resources into the Brise stock. There's no simple response, and there's no assurance that Brise will be a fruitful interest over the long haul. Be that as it may, for financial backers who will face some gamble, challenges might offer a chance to benefit on the off chance that the organization can make something happen from now on. Bitgert value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0.000005, and Brise is as of now position number 228 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Bitgert is 395,688,215,721,653. Brise, with a market cap of $197,969,305.27. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0.00000008 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Brise has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 5.98%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 51.35%. Adding a Titanic typical measure of $0.00000026 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Bitgert Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0.0000006599. The most extreme level that the Brise cost can reach is $0.0000008199. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0000006899. Brise value figure for WOC 2023. In view of the value changes of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0.0000005499 in WOC 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00000005. and at $0.0000005599 separately. April 2023, Bitgert Value Gauge digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the Brise cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00000529, while the most extreme could reach $0.00000589 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0.00000559. Brise value estimate for May 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value changes of Bitgert in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0.00000569 in May 2023. It can drop to $0.0000054999 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.0000060999. June 2023. Bitgert value figure around mid-year 2023. The Brise cost will be exchanged at $0.0000005799 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.0000006399. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0000005599 in June 2023. Brise value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Bitgert costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $0.00000599. The least and pinnacle Brise rates may be $0.0000057999 and $0.0000006699. August 2023. Bitgert value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Brise cost will be around $0.0000006199. In August 2023, the Bitgert cost might drop to at least $0.0000005999. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.0000006999 in August 2023. Brise value figure for September 2023. Having dissected Bitgert costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Brise rate could arrive at a limit of $0.000000071999 in September 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.0000006099. For September 2023, the estimated normal of Bitgert is almost $0.000000062999. October 2023.